A new multi-agency United Nations report says there was a dramatic worsening of world hunger in 2020, much of it likely related to the fallout of COVID-19. Even before COVID-19 pandemic, the world was not already on track to end world hunger and malnutrition in all these forms by 2030. Conflict, climate change, economic downturns have also challenged efforts to achieve full nutritional security. Now, according to the latest report this year, the report highlights that 720 to 811 million people around the world faced hunger in 2020. This number is approximately 118 million more people that were facing hunger in 2020 with respect to 2019. Now, if we break down the details of the report further, it highlights that more than half of all undernourished people, around 418 million of them, live in Asia. But Africa represented the biggest jump in cases, more than double that of any other region. And in Latin America, there has been an increase of 9.1% of the population being undernourished as we speak. Now, of the victims, children remain the ones who pay the highest price. The report continued with more than 149 million, less than the age of 5, estimated to be afflicted with stunted growth. Maximo Torero, the chief economist of the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, has attributed conflict, climate extremes, and economic downturns, as well as slowdowns, as the major reasons behind the increase in the hunger undernourishment that we are facing today. Another crucial point, due to the high price of healthy diets and high levels of inequality, around 3 billion people in the world did not have access to a healthy diet in 2019. Much to our dismay, globally, the gender gap in food insecurity has increased further in the year of the pandemic, according to this UN report. Now, this report also makes an important call to really act and transform the agri-food systems. An increase of undernourishment of 118 million people is a huge challenge. There's also significant increase in stunting and obesity, which need to be tackled. The report recommended policymakers undertake a number of actions to prevent undernourishment, such as incorporating humanitarian, development and peace-building policies in conflict areas, strengthening the resilience of the most vulnerable to economic adversity, and tackling poverty as well as structural inequalities.